Not getting any sound from left or right earbuds of Beats Studio Buds. Many users complain that they are only getting sound from left or right earbud and the other one is not working at all. In this video, we will show you the best way to fix one earbuds not working on Beats Studio Buds problem easily. Now let's check out the process. First, make sure both earbuds have proper charge. If either left or right Beats Studio Buds does not have proper charge, it can cause the problem and it can stop working. If one earbud does not have proper charge, then make sure to put both earbuds in the case, then close the lid and wait for 5 to 10 minutes and your problem will be fixed. Also, after keeping the buds in the case, it is not charging, then you need to clean inside the case and the buds properly, and you have to make sure both earbuds are properly put in the case so they can be charged. If your iPhone's audio balance is not set properly, then it can cause problem with your Beats Studio Buds balance. Now to fix it, open Settings, go to Accessibility, scroll down, tap Audio Visual, turn off Mono Audio, swipe down, make sure the balance slider is in the middle. If it is in the left or in the right, then one Studio Bud will not work. So make sure the balance slider is in the middle properly and it should fix the problem. If there is a new firmware update for your Beats Studio Buds, it can cause a problem. So make sure your Beats Studio Buds is up to date. To check that, open Settings, tap Bluetooth, tap on the eye icon beside your Beats Studio Buds, check the version. Now open a browser of your choice. Now search for Beats Studio Buds firmware version. Now check any of the link. As you can see, the latest version is the same as our Beats Studio Buds. So it is not the problem. But if the version is not the same, then keep the Beats Studio Buds close to your iPhone and make sure the lid is open and you have a good internet connection. Wait for 20 to 30 minutes and the firmware will be updated on its own and the problem will be fixed. If nothing else works and one of your Beats Studio Buds is not working at all, then you need to disconnect the device, open Settings, go to Bluetooth, tap on the eye icon beside Beats Studio Buds, tap Forget this device, again tap Forget this device. Now open your Beats Studio Buds. Make sure both earbuds are in the case. Now you will see this button here. Press and hold the button in the case. Keep holding it until the light starts to blink red and white. Now connect your Beats Studio Buds again. Tap Done and your problem will be fixed. So guys, these are the ways you can easily fix left or right Beats earbuds not working problem easily. That's it for now. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any query regarding the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.